Hello everyone, welcome to LBS IAS. Today we are going to discuss CSAT previous year questions. We will be solving CSAT's maths and reasoning questions using speed matrix. So let's start our session. Our first question is, let x be a positive integer such that 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. Then how many values of x are possible here? Here 7x plus 96 is divisible by x means both 7x and 96 here are divisible by x. Completely divisible by x. So here 96 is divisible by x means number of values of x is equal to number of factors of 96 here. Number of factors of 96. So 96, take the prime factors of 96 here to find out the number of factors of 96. Here 96 can be written as 32 into 3. So here 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 5 into 3 is equal to 96. Here 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So number of factors is equal to, here 2 raised to 5 and here it is 3 raised to 1. That means number of factors will be equal to 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. That is equal to 6 into 2. That is 12. So number of factors of 96 is equal to 12. That means number of values of x possible is equal to 12. So option C is your answer. Next is question number 2. If the letters of the word incomprehensible letters are arranged alphabetically in reverse order, how many positions of the letters will remain unchanged? Here, incomprehensibilities. So, write the letters of this word in reverse order and alphabetically in reverse order. Here, letter A is not present, but letter B is present here. So, write the B here. Then, you have C here. So, write the C here. Then, you have no D here, but there are 3 E here. That is first E, second E, third E. So, write the letter E 3 times. Then, you have no F, no G. Then, you have H here. So, write H here. Then, you have I here. First I, second I, third I, fourth I. Then you have fifth I here. So write the letter I 5 times. Then you have no J, no K. Then you have L here. So write L. Then you have M and N 2 times here. So M and N 2 times. Then you have O here. Then you have P here. Then you have no Q. Then you have R here. Then you have 2S here. Then you have T here. So, in the first session, no match. In the second session, no match. In the third session, no match. But in the fourth session, you can see I and I matched. So, 1. Then, here it is also I and I matched. So, 2 letters. Then, in the fifth section, there is no match. So, there are 2 letters matched. So, when you write the letters of the word incomprehensibilities alphabetically in reverse order, 2 letters, that is I and I, remain unchanged, the position. So, here option C is your answer. Next is question number 3. If 7 at 9 at 10 is equal to 8 and 9 at 11 at 30 is equal to 5 and 11 at 17 at 21 is equal to 13, what is the value of 23 at 4 at 15? Here you can see 7 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 26 and 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Same way, in the second case, you can see 9 plus 11 plus 30 is equal to 50 and 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. In the third case, you can see 11 plus 17 plus 21 is equal to 49 and 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. So, in this case, 23 plus 4 plus 15 is equal to 42. So, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So, option A is your answer. Next is question number 4. Choose the group which is different from the others. Here you can see except 91, all others are prime numbers. Here 91 can be written as 13 into 7 is equal to 91. All others are prime number. So option D is your answer. Prime number means in the case of 17, 17 can be divisible with 1 and 17 only. So there is no other factor for 17. So that is called prime numbers. So here option D is your answer. Next is question number 5. Consider the following including the question and statements. There are 5 members A, B, C, D, E in a family. Question is, what is the relation of E to B? Statement 1, A and B are married couple. Statement 2, D is the father of C. Statement 3, E is D's son. Statement 4, A and C are sisters. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above question and statements? Options are statement 1, 2 and 3 are sufficient to answer the question. Statement 1, 3 and 4 are sufficient to answer the question. All 4 statements together are sufficient to answer the question. All 4 statements are not sufficient to answer the question. So, let's check out the statements first. Here, we have to find out relation of E to B. Here, E is mentioned in statement 3. So, statement 3 is required. And B is mentioned in statement 1. So, statement 1 is required. In 2 and 4, there is no A and B mentioned. So, let's check out these 2 first. In statement 1, A and B are married couple. A and B are married couple means I will equate them. Now they are married couple. E is D's son. So, D is father and E is his son. Son means his gender is male. Now you can see between B and D there is no relation formed. So let's check out the statement 2. D is the father of C. D is the father of C means C and D are siblings. D is the father of A and D is father of C. That means both C and D are siblings. Now you can see between B and D there is no relation formed. So let's check the statement 4. A and C are sisters. So A and C are sisters means both are sisters. So their gender is female. Now you can see between B and D there is relation formed because A is married to B. So B is male and A is female. Now you can see between B and D there is relation formed. So all 4 statements are necessary. That is option C is your answer. All 4 statements together are sufficient to answer the question. Here you can see all 4 statements needed to form the relation between E and B. Here E is B's brother-in-law. E is B's brother-in-law. That is not the question, but we have formed a relation between E and B and all 4 statements together needed to form the relation. So option C is your answer. Next is question number 6. Consider the following statements. A is older than B. C and D are of same age. E is the youngest. F is younger than D. F is older than A. How many statements given above are required to determine the oldest person? Here, first statement says A is older than B. So, I used first statement. Then, A and B related in which statements? In fifth statement, A is related. So, I will take fifth statement. F is older than A. F is older than A. Now, FAB, which one is related in FAB? Now, fourth statement related to F. F is younger than D. That means D is greater than F. Now, which is related to DFAB? Here, D is related in second statement. So, I will use the second statement. C and D are of same age. So, here C and D are of same age. Now, you can see there is no E here. So here in the third statement, I will use E is the youngest. That means E is the youngest person here. Now you can see the oldest persons are C and D. Oldest. And you need all these statements. That is all these 5 statements. We used all these 5 statements to find out which one is oldest. Here C and D, both person are oldest. So we need all 5. So option D is your answer. Next is question number 7. If 0 is written as Joe, then how is player written? Here you can see in 0 as well as in player, ER is repeated. Here code for ER in 0 is HU. That means code for ER in player is HU. So ending with HU means option D is your answer because option D ends with HU. All other 3 options notes ends with HU. This is the quickest way to find out answer for these types of question. If you want to find out in a normal way, that is 0 is sure. You can see Z plus 3 is C, E plus 3 is H, R plus 3 is U, O plus 3 is R. Same way, E plus 3 H and R plus 3 U. So option D is your answer. Next is question number 8. What is the middle terms of the sequence? Here you can see Z repeat 2 times, Y repeat 3 times, and X repeat 4 times, and W repeat 5 times. So it will go on increase up to A. Here total alphabets are 26. 1 plus 25 is actually 26. But here Z represent 2. So 2 plus 25 is 27. So A repeat 27 times here. That means B repeat 26 times and C repeat 25 times. So to find out the middle term, take the sum of 2 to 27. First take the sum of 2 to 27. Sum is n into n plus 1 by 2. Here sum of 27 term is 27 into 28 divided by 2. But here is sum of 2 to 27. 1 is absent here, so subtract 1 from it. 2 into 14 is 28. 27 into 10, 270. 20 into 4, 80. 7 into 4, 28. So 270 plus 80 plus 28 is equal to 378. 378 minus 1 is equal to 377. So sum is 377 here. That means middle term is sum divided by 2. That is 377 divided by 2. That is 188.5. That means 189th term is middle term. So to find out which of the alphabet is 189th term. Here 20 into 9 is equal to 180. That means it is nearer to 9 terms. So first I will take the reverse order. A repeat 27 times, B repeat 26 times, C repeat 25 times, D repeat 24 times, E repeat 23 times, F repeat 22 times, G repeat 21 times, H repeat 20 times, and I repeat 19 times. Here you can see A to H terms. Total 8 sequences and sum of 20 to 27. Sum of 20 to 27 means, or I will take number of terms. Number of terms means number of A to H terms. That is equal to, we have total 8 terms from 20 to 27. So 8 into 20, 160 plus 1 to 7 sum is 7 into 8 divided by 2. That is 56 by 2, 28. So that is equal to 188. So we have total 188 terms from A to H. We have 188 terms. That means I is the 189th term. From A to H we have total 188 terms. That is 20 plus 21 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24 plus 25 plus 26 plus 27 is 188. 20 into 8, 160. Then 1 to 7 sum is 7 into 8 by 2. That is 28. So total 188 terms in terms from A to H. That is I is the 189th term. So option B is your answer. Next is question number 9. A rectangular floor measures 4 meter in length and 2.2 meter in breadth. Tiles of size 140 cm by 60 cm have to be laid such that tiles do not overlap. A tile can be placed in any orientation so long as its edges are parallel to the edges of the floor. What is the maximum number of tiles that can be accommodated on the floor? So as per the dimension here, you can only place 8 tiles on the floor. Here, floor length is 4 meter. That means 400 centimeter. Again, floor width is 2.2 meter. That is 220 centimeter. So if you cover 140 into 60 tiles in the floor, that means here 2 tiles placed, that is 140 plus 140, 280 centimeter covered. The remaining is 120. So placed 2 tiles in vertical position. That means here 140 covered. The remaining is 80 here. And here also this is 280 and this is 120 here. So here you can see in 120 into 80 area you cannot fill a 140 into 60 tile. Here also 60 into 3 tiles, that means 60 into 3 is equal to 180 centimeter covered. The remaining is 40. So you cannot fill 40 into 280 area with 140 into 60 tiles. So this area will also not fill it. So only 8 tiles can be filled in this area. Same way, if you look at this, here you can also see the dimension are here 6 tiles placed. So 6 into 60 is equal to 360. So 360 centimeter covered up to here. The remaining is 40. So this area will not fill because the width is less than 60. So tile width is 60 and tile length is 140. So 40 will not cover. Same way, this is total 140 and this is also 140. The remaining is 80. So in this 80, a 60 covered, and up to this is 140 plus 140, that is 280 centimeter. And the remaining this is 20. So in this area, no tiles will cover. Here it also, this is 140. So the remaining is 80. So this is also 280 plus 120. So this is also 120 into 80. So this area will also not cover. So only 8 tiles can be filled in this area. So your answer is option C. Total 8 tiles can be filled in this floor. Next is question number 10. There are large number of silver coins weighing 2 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram, 25 gram and 50 gram each. Consider the following statements. To buy 78 gram of coins, one must buy at least 7 coins. To weigh 78 gram using these coins, one can use less than 7 coins. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Here, you always be careful about this kind of questions. Here, first statement say to buy and second statement says to weigh. So, if you read it fast, you may find second statement wrong. But that's not the case. So, let's check. In the first case, to buy 78 gram. Here there is no odd coin. So, I will take 50 gram first. Then, I will not take 25 because there is no odd coin. So, 10 gram, 2 coins. 2 coins of 10 gram each. Then I will take 4 coins of 2 gram. That is 2 gram plus 2 gram plus 2 gram plus 2 gram. That is total 4 plus 3, 7 coins. So, at least 7 coins is needed to buy 78 gram. So, statement 1 is correct. In the second case, to weigh. To take the weight of 78 gram. That means one side I can take 80 gram, on the other side I can take 2 gram. That is total 78 gram. I can weight 78 gram using 80 gram coin and 2 gram coins. That is, in one side I will take 50 gram plus 25 gram plus 5 gram to take 80 gram weight. And on the other side I will take 2 gram weight. So that means total weight will balanced as 78 grams. That is, here I will use 3 coins and here I use 1 coin. Total 4 coins. So I can weight 78 gram using less than 7 coins. That is, I only need 4 coins to weight 78 gram. So statement 2 is also right. So option C is your answer. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe, share and like.